Hey guys, it is Miss Cooper. I just got all of your stuff for this week, so I just wanted to kind of explain the very first thing in reading. So it says, here's the plan for the week. This includes opportunities to practice and deepen learning. Session 1, which that just means that this is your first assignment, and you can do them in any order that you want to. It says, read a book, article, or text that for at least 15 minutes. As you read, make notes of what connections you can make to yourself, other books, or text, and society. So that just means text to world, text to text, text to self. You can use these discussion starters. This book reminds me of something that happened in my life. It reminded me of a time, and then finish the sentence. This book reminds me of another book I read. It's called, and it reminds me of. This book reminds me of something I heard about in real life. It reminded me of. And if you want to, you can do those connections in Schoology. It is completely up to you, or you can just write them down at home. Either way. Okay, so that is assignment number 1.